Welcome to the detailed tutorial series of YINK software. In this video, we will comprehensively introduce two practical features of YINK software: color and note. By mastering these features, you can effectively manage graphics through color filling and annotations, significantly enhancing your productivity. First, let's explore the color feature in detail. This feature allows you to quickly and intuitively fill the entire graphic with color, facilitating rapid identification within complex designs. The specific steps are as follows. Simply click the color option in the toolbar. You will immediately see the entire graphic filled with a distinctive color, making the overall layout clearer and easier to distinguish. If you wish to remove the color filling, just click the color option again, and the color will be easily removed. Next, let's delve into the note feature. The note feature is primarily used to add clear annotation labels to the entire graphic, helping you quickly identify different designs during your workflow and avoiding confusion. The operation steps are equally straightforward. Just click the note option in the toolbar. The entire graphic will instantly display clear annotation labels, greatly enhancing recognition and management efficiency. If you need to remove the annotations, simply click the note option again to quickly cancel them. It's especially noteworthy that the color and note features can be used simultaneously. For instance, you can first click Color to fill the entire graphic with color, and then click Note to add annotations. Both features will be displayed simultaneously, making graphic management more precise. If you wish to cancel one of these features, simply click the respective option again. That concludes the detailed introduction and instructions on using the color and note features in YINK software. We hope this tutorial helps you proficiently utilize these software functions and boost your productivity. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting content. See you next time.